Oh, welcome back. Holy crap, you came back. Or this is the first time you've seen me on here, and somehow I popped up on your tube. Your YouTube. I speak so fast. I speak faster than my mind can keep up. But anyway, today I thought I would share a voice acting clip that I did. Something I'm starting off with and practicing. But first, I'm gonna show you the equipment I got for this voice acting thing I kind of want to do. I got this mic. It's really cool. I'll post a image on the screen about how much it is, what type. If you're interested in doing voice acting, I usually try to go for the cheap but good stuff. So this was like maybe like $50, so not too bad. And then I got this. I got this sound protector thingy. Put a mic image somewhere on screen. Not too bad in price. Cheap is good. Helps, contain the noise so your voice isn't bouncing off the walls. I do get loud, so I don't have to speak so loud. The mic is right here. Calm down. You don't want this helps prevent, your voice bouncing off the computer screens or walls and making that echo sound, so you don't have a clear audio of your recordings. So it's a big must. But I made a I didn't. Okay, let me explain. Slow down. If any of you've watched the Halo Legends anime, there was a scene in it from Prototype, and it was about a fallen soldier in the arms of her commander, and she's dying, and she's giving this emotional kind of last speech to him, and I liked how it just kind of grabs you. It's very emotional, and I love doing scenes like that. I love feeling like I'm actually that character. I feel like I'm just connected in that world, and I lose myself in that passion and that emotional scene. So I'm going to play the little demo kind of thing. I used, the dialogue from Halo Legends Prototype, and I used some Halo Legends music for it. In the future, if I do some voice acting stuff, I'll probably try doing it live on camera so you can see me do it. I think that'd be more fun and engaging. But I got this clip already made, so I'm just gonna let you listen to it. Give me some feedback, some helpful critiques. Yeah, I'm gonna play this, and I'll be quiet so you can enjoy it. Yeah, first voice acting thing, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm a complete newbie, so don't be too harsh, but critiques are welcomed. So, alright. Sarge, look at the moon. It's funny. I've never noticed how beautiful the moons are here. You think anybody noticed? There's something I've always wanted to know. Your call sign. Ghost. What does it mean? Finally, I have an excuse to show that you care. And let me ask you something. Just one last thing. It won't hurt. I promise. What was I to you? And you're a ghost, weren't you? Feelings pass right through you, don't they? So cold and unforgiving in every choice you made in battle. Pure soldier. I think that's what led us to trust you. I don't need it. I need you to be strong. Strong enough to do what you have never done in your life. Can you be strong enough to allow yourself to be Can you just be human? Okay, so yeah, that's my first little piece. I mean, maybe I need to clean it up more. I mean, I'm not really sure. I have a couple of my friends that are gonna look at it. Maybe like if the audio needs to be tweaked. I'm gonna try to learn how to do that myself. I am using a free program, Audacity, because again, free, cheap, the best. I love free and cheap. Um, Audacity is pretty awesome. It doesn't seem too complicated. Um, I'll share my screen what it kind of looks like. So this is, my whole project and stuff. Yes, voiced by yours truly, but the dialogue and the music and all stuff, that's not mine. All Halo stuff, that's not mine. It's a parody. Let me just throw that word out. It's a parody. It's not, just all fun. Just okay. It was a lot of fun to do. But yeah, Audacity is not too hard, just threw my audio here and then down here, just threw in the music, and that's what I got. So let me switch back. So I hope you guys kind of enjoyed that. Hopefully more to come soon. I want to do more like fun cartoon characters. Like, hello, how are you? Crazy stuff. I love crazy stuff. The emotional stuff, though, is really hitting me. I really like actually feeling like I'm acting. That's fun. But, yeah, we'll just continue on this journey. So I appreciate you stopping by. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I might post a video about some 3D art stuff. I got a 3D printer, so yeah, I can show you some stuff I printed off. So hopefully I'll see you next time. Oh, outro music, which I don't think I have anything. So hey, see ya, my friend.